Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can put app on home screen in Android. So first you will need to open either the app drawer, or if you do not have this option enabled, just open the generic app search on your device. Then find the app you would like to put to your home screen. Once this app is found, simply touch and hold at its icon and drag it to your home screen just like that. On some devices you can also, upon finding the app, among the additional options in the similar context menu, you'll have an explicit option to add the app that you have selected like that to your home screen, or add it to folder if necessary. Anyway, that's how you drag apps from your app drawer or app search directly to the home screen. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.